Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 4th of February 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what do you need to know about silver as we head into a new week here? Well, silver right now, we're seeing it trade back below $18 per ounce. In fact, last week was a fantastic opportunity to buy into silver around $17.50 per ounce at the beginning of the week, where we again saw that usual counterflow on Monday and Tuesday. That pullback was certainly a great opportunity to build further positions into silver. We capitalized on that breakout to $18 per ounce, banking over 50 points per position. In fact, over 3 positions, we banked 165 points on silver. And what we have tended to see in the latest week is the gold to silver ratio last week broke out to 6-month highs. After hitting that resistance zone, it very quickly started to pull back, and with that offered a greater opportunity to buy into silver versus gold. We wanted to remain in that position whilst the gold-silver ratio was pulling back from those 6-month highs. So typically, when you're trading gold and silver, you absolutely need to be watching the gold-silver ratio. The way it works with that ratio is when we are seeing a breakout to the upside, that will favor being long gold versus silver. So at the beginning of last week, gold was outperforming silver, so you wanted to hold off on gold positions and you wanted to wait before you executed your positions on silver, wait for silver to drop back down to magnetic level, which it did at $17.50 per ounce. After it got to that zone, that provided a great opportunity to start building positions after the ratio from hitting 6-month highs started to pull back, which then favored being long silver over gold. So at that point, you wanted to make sure you were building into your silver positions, and we had a very fast breakout over Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, back above $18 per ounce. This is the way that the ratio can really be used very well for those of you who are trading both gold and silver to know whether you should be buying gold or silver or selling gold or silver. Now today, we've actually seen another sell-off on the ratio as it starts to roll over and pull back, which does suggest that silver over the course this week is going to outperform gold. In fact, even today, you've seen a bigger drop to the downside on Tuesday on gold than you have on silver. Silver's holding up very well right now, around $17.50. We haven't breached that zone on silver, whereas gold, it's continued to see a further pullback. And again, the gold-silver ratio is right now favoring silver to perform better over this week than gold. Now, interestingly, from a seasonality point of view, this month actually favors silver performance and platinum and palladium over gold. So gold's typically a stellar mover over the month of January, and that's very clear given the fact that January gold broke out to 7-year highs, whereas silver has continued to lag. In fact, silver is still trading just close to 2-month highs, but it's not been able so far to have anywhere near the performance of gold. And this is where you have the potential of silver being a sleeping giant. If silver was to catch up to the breakouts that we've seen in gold over the latest month, so for example, if silver was able to break out to 7-year highs like gold has, this would position silver much closer towards $23 per ounce. And obviously right now, silver is trading at $17.65 per ounce. So there is a big upside opportunity here once we do see the gap filled between the disparity of gold and silver prices right now. And the way that you can track that disparity is via the gold-silver ratio. You want to see the gold-silver ratio selling off and breaking down back below 88 to 1, 87 to 1, 86 to 1, and so forth. This is where silver will be propelled much higher. So it's definitely one to have on the watch list at the moment. Silver, we've continued to build positions since mid-December, since we got in at $16.50 per ounce. And we continue to add on these counterflow moves, on these dips that we are seeing often at the beginning of the week over Monday and Tuesday. That's really offering a great opportunity right now to build further positions. So with silver, we're keeping a very close eye on the seasonality for the month of February. Typically, it's a very strong performer and it can outperform gold. And I do like it at these levels below $17.70 per ounce. So with that, that's been Silver Asset of the Day. And of course, I wish you good trading.